Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Cryptomator with Google Drive step by step. Combining Cryptomator with Google Drive lets you encrypt your files before they leave your computer, giving you an extra layer of privacy while still enjoying the convenience of cloud storage. So let's get started. First, install Google Drive for desktop on your computer and sign in with your Google account. Make sure your Google Drive folder is syncing normally before setting up Cryptomator. Next, open Cryptomator and click Create New Vault. When you're asked where to save the vault, choose a location inside your Google Drive folder. Give your vault a name, create a strong password, and finish the setup process. Now click Unlock and enter your vault password. Cryptomator will mount the vault as a virtual drive or open it as a folder, depending on your operating system. You can use this folder just like any other folder on your computer. Start copying or saving your files directly into the unlocked vault. Cryptomator automatically encrypts every file before it's stored in the Google Drive folder. Google Drive then uploads only the encrypted versions of your files, keeping your data private even while it's stored in the cloud. Whenever you need to edit a file, simply unlock the vault, make your changes, and save the file. After you're finished, click Lock Vault in Cryptomator. Wait for Google Drive to complete the synchronization before shutting down your computer or opening the same vault on another device to avoid sync conflicts. And that's it. You now know how to use Cryptomator with Google Drive to securely encrypt, store, and synchronize your files while keeping full control of your privacy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next